Good morning, student. Myself Kavita here. My today's topic is active and passive voice. Active and passive voice. Today we will learn how to change from active to passive voice. How to change a sentence from active to passive voice. So let's get started. Student, first of all, I would like to tell you that in our English language, first comes the subject. First comes the subject, then word, and then object. In our English language, in sentence, first comes the subject, then verb, and then object. Without these three, the sentence are incomplete. Without these three, a sentence are incomplete. So these three are subject, verb and object plays a very important role to complete a sentence. So let us start with it. What is active voice? When the subject, what is subject? Rama. When the subject of this sentence, is the doer of the action, means here Rama helps Hari. So this Rama is a subject and he is a doer of the action, helps. What is action? What action Rama is doing? Helping. So this helps is the doer of the action. The verb is said to be in active voice. So this verb is said to be in active voice. In the active voice, we know the person who is doing work. So this subject is the doer of the action. So here Rama helps Hari. We know that Rama helps Hari. Rama is the doer of the action, helps. What is passive voice? In a sentence, when the subject is not the doer of the action. This subject here Hari is not the doer of the action, help. Here Hari is not helping Rama, but this subject Hari is helped by Rama. He is acting upon by the verb. This help is a verb. So this Hari is acting upon by the verb that he is helped by Rama. So the subject is not the doer of the action, but is acted upon by the word. But this is acted upon by the word. Is said to be in passive voice. In this sentence, student, we doesn't know the doer of the action. It is that the subject is acted upon by the word. The subject is acted upon by the word, but not the doer of the action. So whenever we are changing from active to passive voice, student, we have to follow some basic rules. With this rule, we can easily change from active to passive voice. What is the rule? Let us start. Always use the third form in passive voice. Whenever you are changing from active to passive voice, then always means always use the third form of verb in passive voice. See your example. Here what is verb? Helps. And what is verb here? Help. So whenever in active voice, this helps is in the first form. Verb first form. Here whenever we are changing from active to passive voice, this always change in third form. third form. So always use the third form of the verb in passive voice. In passive voice. Next, object changes to subject and subject changes to object. Object changes to subject and subject changes to object. Here what is subject? Rama. And what is object? Hari. So compare these two sentences now. Whenever we are changing from active to passive voice, here object, this object comes in a subject place. This Hari, in active voice, this Hari was object. Now when we have changed from active to passive voice, this comes here and this comes in a object place. The subject comes in a object place and object comes in a subject place. See, compare it. Here Hari is in subject now and Rama becomes an object. So Rama in active voice was subject and Hari was object. Now it changes to subject and object. So object changes to subject and subject changes to object. Use by. Use by before agent or subject. So this Rama here is a subject. So whenever we are changing from active to passive voice, whenever we are applying the subject in an object place, we have to use by before and subject. We have to use by. By this word, we have to use by before subject. So whenever we are changing from active to passive voice, we have to use by. We have to use by before subject. Now he changes to him. She changes to her. They changes to them. I changes to me. We changes to us. And you changes to you. This he, she, they, I, we, you. These are subjective. These all are subjective words. And him, her, them, we, me, us and you. All these are objective words. So whenever in subject he are there in active voice, then it changes to him when we change from active to passive voice. She changes to her. They changes to them. I changes to me and we changes to us and you as it is. Next, additional words are added before third form in passive voice. Whenever we are changing from active to passive voice, in passive voice, in active voice, it is not given any additional word such as is, am, are, was, were, been, being, be, etc. All these are additional words. All these are additional words. So it is not mentioned in the active voice. So whenever we are changing from active to passive voice, we have to add by our. We have to add some additional word to this active voice before the third form in passive voice. Before the third form. This is the third form of verb. So before the third form of verb, we have to add some additional words such as if the verb is in first form, we have to add is, am or are. See here, this verb in active voice, the verb was in first form, helps. Here helps is in first form. So we have added the additional word is. So we have added the additional word is. So if the verb is in second form, then we have to add was or were. If third form, being. Fourth form, being. First form plus be. मतलब whenever, will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, all this word comes, we should add the additional word be. We will be continuing in the next part, student. Thank you.